the power of support and resistance. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the power of you having your support and your resistance on your charts. Right now, you guys know that the support is always below and resistance is always above, which is these two white bar right here. So we are seeing a bearish movement on the support level, and I already have my stop loss below that level of support, and my take profit is just the next level of resistance. So let's see if this support level is actually going to hold, and let's see how we can profit from this trade. Let's see on the replay mode now. Right now, this is this trade being taken out, and I'm trying to see if this level of support is actually going to hold. If it holds, then it will be very, very good for us, and if it doesn't, then we'll be able to know that okay, maybe there was a news that came in, or there was just something that happened along the way that made this trade not good. But right now, let's see if this support is going to hold. Let's see. Good. You guys know that whenever you see a support level on a particular place, you capitalize on it and you leverage on it. So we are on this trade right now. I took this trade actually on MT5. Right now we're seeing this market starting to push all the way to the upside. Okay, we're having a rejection now. That tells us that this market might actually move. Now you see this. This is now what? A bearish engulfing candle. So that tells you that this market is about to move all the way to the upside. As you can see right now, we're already on a bullish movement, and right now this market is pushing upward. Let's see how this trade is going to take out, and how we can profit from it. Okay, now we are having a little stop right here. We have what? A bullish engulfing candle. You can see a slightly trend line touch right here. If I bring in my trend line right now, you guys are going to see that okay, there's a little bit of trend line that we can see from about somewhere here. Let me show you so you can see. So trend line, support and resistance, they work. Trust me, they work. You just have to know how to use them. The support is always below and the resistance is always above. So you can see there's a short level of support right here. So you see you have bullish engulfing candle, 3 bullish engulfing candle. You have the first one, the second one, and the third one. Please, if you are enjoying this video, do well to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that this video will be able to be pushed out to reach out to so many other beautiful people right here on YouTube. And also we are trying to grow this account, this channel, to 10k subs. So let's do our best and grow the channel. Now as you can see, like I said, this trend line seems to be holding this trade a little bit, so you can capitalize on it and jump in the trade. So this is the power of you just knowing how to trade and knowing how to use support and resistance. Right now we are seeing another bullish engulfing candle, a breakout, a retest. This is our level of take profits right here. So we're going to see if this price is going to push all the way to the upside. And please do well to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, and also leave a nice comment. All right, let's wait and see. Is this take profit going to be hit? Is it going to be hit? Yes or no? Let's drag a little bit. Good. Is this take profit going to be hit, or is it going to be hit or stop loss? And as you can see right here, we have a little bit of something like this on the trend line. So you see trend line also works. Trend line, they also works, like they work. I'm going to explain some few things to you on this video that you can learn from. Let's see if this take profit is going to be hit. If it breaks this trend line, maybe it might get to our stop loss. But on the other hand, if it holds, then boom guys, our take profit has been smashed and we are out of the trade. Now what do you learn from this trade? This is what you learn from the trade. If you look very clearly, you see that this trend line has a touch right here. And right now I will advise you that do not start buying, because if this market break out this trend line, this is a strong level. So the point is, this support strategy, it works. So you can see that support, it works, resistance works. So please do well to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't want the video to be too long. We're already spending about 5 minutes left. So please do well to like this video. Also subscribe to the channel. Leave a nice comment about what you learn about this video, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Praiseman FS signing out. Take it easy and peace out.